Hey everybody, my name is Mark Vogel. Welcome to my introductory post for ACTE 625. A little bit about me first off. My education, I graduated from Hempfield High School in 2007, and I did my undergrad at Elizabethtown College where I studied mathematics education. I earned my first master's degree from Wilkes University, and then I'm currently finishing up the online teaching degree through Millersville University. I'm currently in my 9th year teaching at Hempfield High School, which is where I graduated from, so I have a unique experience where some of my former teachers are now my coworkers. And I've taught Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry so far. We're one-to-one with iPads. We've had those for about 5 or 6 years, and right now we currently have two options where students are in person full-time every day, or they're virtual from home. And I think our district was about 80-20, where 80% of the students came back from the classroom, and about 20% are currently learning from home. My hobbies consist of, I'm a Philadelphia sports fan. That's my sister and I at an Eagles game a few years ago. And I love working out. In the summertime, I love hitting up the beach with friends and family. And my family consists of my father, who works at Johnson & Johnson. My mom teaches history at Reynolds Middle School, and my sister teaches science at Harriton High School. A couple things that I'm really looking forward to with this course. One is strengthening my students' engagement. It can be challenging when you have certain students at home and certain students in the classroom. So reaching all my students, using different technology tools to get to all of them. Just a quick example of what I had first period today. Up on the front board, you can see I took a photo of my one student's work here that they were at the board. I took a photo of their calculator where they checked their answer, and up with the original problem, we were solving systems, so I can use my iPad to write on the front board to highlight, circle different things, so that can help kind of clarify things for different learners. And it also helps my virtual students to see what the correct answer is what I'm looking for. The second thing I'm really looking forward to is enhancing my student learning through different types of assessments, whether it's formative or summative assessments, trying to really enhance their learning through that. Finally, I think I could certainly do a better job with providing feedback, not just my students in person, but especially the ones virtual. I've been trying to explain to them where the mistakes are throughout the math problems, whether it's a quiz, just a homework assignment, but where can I make that feedback more meaningful to guide their learning, because in math classes we're certainly building on what we've learned so far as a building block. So if I can really strengthen their foundation before we move on, that's something I really want to improve on. So again, I'm looking forward to working with you on this classroom, and thanks for watching my introduction video.